Hazards are ever present, even in trade credit, and so they must be identified, analyzed, evaluated, and controlled, or else you should be prepared for the outcome. There is a lot of uncertainty in trade credit, and if you don't manage the risk adequately, it could cost your company a lot of wealth. Poor risk management could lead to overspent budgets and failure or delay of projects. These are some of the disciplines of risk management. An organization must, number 1, understand all exposures that might cause a policy to incur losses. Number 2, conservatively assess the likelihood of any exposure actually causing a loss and the probable cost if it does. Number 3, set a premium that on average will deliver a profit after both prospective loss costs and operating expenses are covered. And number 4, be willing to walk away if the appropriate premium can't be obtained. These disciplines will help you identify and control the risk for your trade credit team. You will be able to save money, reduce business liability, and protect your organization's future. Read the full article to learn risk management in detail.